In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your tables in Airtable for clarity and efficiency. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your base in Airtable. Once you're in, take a good look at all the existing tables listed in the left sidebar. This is your bird's eye view of the entire base, and it's where you'll make most of your organizational decisions. The first thing you'll want to do is rename your tables so their purpose is immediately obvious. A table called Untitled 3 isn't helpful, but one called Client Contacts tells you exactly what's inside. Keep each table focused on a single data type, like contacts, projects, or tasks. This keeps your base clean and prevents confusion down the line. Next, scan for duplicate or unused tables. If you have two tables that both store event details, for example, decide which one to keep and delete the other. You can also reorder your tables by simply dragging them up or down in the sidebar. Put the most frequently used tables at the top so you can access them quickly. Instead of duplicating a table for different projects, use linked records. If you're tracking tasks and projects, create a tasks table and a projects table, then link them together. This lets you see all tasks for a specific project without copying data across multiple tables. Only create a new table when you genuinely need one. Ask yourself if the new information represents a distinct entity, like clients, products, or invoices. If it's just an extra field for an existing table, add a column instead. The golden rule is to keep each table representing one core entity and avoid storing unrelated data in the same place. Use linking instead of copying data across tables, and keep your table names short yet descriptive, like orders instead of list of all orders placed by customers. This approach saves time, reduces errors, and makes your base a joy to navigate. So to recap, you now know how to organize your tables in Airtable by renaming them clearly, removing duplicates, and using linked records instead of clutter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.